Right, so before I start talking about the Step Scalper EA, first of all, I'm just going to turn it on, and then I'll come back to the settings. I'll turn it on and turn on my algo trading as it trades for us. Now, the Step Scalper is, as the name goes, is specifically for scalping the step index market and also any volatile market, any market that is very volatile, not boom and crash, because that's way less volatile. Okay, when we talk about volatile markets, there are markets that tend to oscillate. When it comes to the candlesticks, they oscillate very much. They move at they move or they change direction quickly within the shortest possible time. Those are very volatile markets. So you can use this EA on volatilities market or on the step index market. Now we've picked a trade. It has set the TP and then the stop loss, but I'll be coming to that very soon. You can use this on the volatilities market, and you can use it on step index market. But the thing is, if you are going to use this on the volatilities market, you need to be aware of how pips are calculated on that market. You can check out my video pips and lots to find out how I allot the different pips and lot sizes for the various indices markets. All right, so without wasting much time, now these are previous trades. These arrows here are previous trades. Without wasting much time, let's take a look at the Step Scalper EA. My name is Danny Legend, and you're welcome to Boom and Crash Expert Advisor. We started from this point, not the -2. We started from the 20 cents. So as of now, we've only picked this candle. It bought here and then it took profit here because our TP is just what? It's just 20 cents. Now mind you, I would like to first of all show not this. I would like to show, I'll go to properties and I would like to show my ask price line so that I see it well. So if I untick this, it's just the gray line. But if I add it, you see the red line, okay, which is the ask price. So the bot picks a buy trade here and then TPs at the top. Now it's going to take another trade. Immediately the next candle opens, immediately it opens, it's going to pick a trade. Okay, so you keep watching. Now you see it's bought again. So this is the TP, this is the SL. So it risks $5 per trade according to the setting. You can always change it, of course. And the TP is 20 cents. Right, so if I should look at the settings, first of all you check algo trading, you make sure it is checked, and then the volume size is the lot size you want to use. And on step index, every tick is 10 cents. That is the lowest lot size allowed on step index is 0.1, which is 10 cents, and every tick is 10 cents if your lot size is 10 cents. Okay, that is why it is picking the lot here, and then it moves twice. It moves by 2 tick spaces and takes 20 cents. So 10 cents here, and our stop loss is 50 pips. That means that this should move 50 times. So as you can see, what's happening here, buy and sell. So it needs to tick twice here and touch the TP, tick twice there and touch the TP, and the SLs are far away. So you can always change it. So you could also set your SL to maybe 20. That means that every trade you are risking $2, which is 20 pips. If it's 200, every trade that your TP doesn't hit, you are trying to tell the bot that I'm risking about $20, right? So I'll set this to the default 50. This for sell and this for buy, but you usually want to set the same figures for both, and then you can save whatever settings you have. So if you don't want to go with a default of 50 and you want to change to maybe 30 so that you risk only $3, okay, you can set that and then you save it. So whenever you put the bot on the chart, you go to load and you pick that setting of yours. So we go with this, and then I'll click OK. So from here you can see that if I should scroll down here, we've made 80 cents. Is it 80? Yeah, 81, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've made 80 cents right now as I was talking, right? So current trade is what? Minus 70. So at this point, you feel, oh, you have positive net profit, you can manually close and turn off your algo trading, but you actually do that first before you manually close. So there you have it. The scalper is gonna, so it takes in a day, it's going to take 1440 trades, because every minute is that is, there are 1440 minutes in a day. So every minute, which is every single bar on the chart right now, is going to pick one particular trade. So as you can see, we have two cells here, and then our TPs, if I should switch to M15, you see where our SLs are, and then our TPs are very close to the position. So if you check let me check M15 from here, you see that the bot took trades all over this place. All these things were done by the bot, because I was testing it. Okay, because I do test the bots before I bring them out. All this was taken by the bot, or was all in the testing phase. So it depends on how much you want to risk per trade. And then if you want, you could also switch to M5 so that it will pick on each candle, each M5 candle, but we are using M1. So it's going to pick, and you see it open and it's bought and it's sold. So we have hovering loss of minus 50, and then when you come here, we have made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is $1.20, and then we have minus 80. So you test this on your demo, let the bot keep running and see how it performs for you. I don't know how you could also, change your TP from 2, that is taking 20 cents for every trade, to taking about 10. So just tweak the settings. Whatever you set for sell or buy, you set for sell. So the first is going to sell and this is going to buy. But it's logical to set the same thing for buy and then the same thing for sell. So it depends on what you want, and then you save and then test them to see which one gives you more profit or which one is more beneficial to you. So that's just about it. The Step Scalper demo. Find it on my Telegram page, t.me/boom and crash EA. Thank you for watching, and bye.